How's it going? Today I'll show you how to get one of the best IPTV players to your Firestick or Android TV. The whole process is pretty simple and will take you only a couple of minutes. And first of all, what you have to do is get the app called Downloader to your Firestick. You can get Downloader free of charge from your official Amazon App Store. Just go to search on your device and start typing Downloader in the search bar. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So you will click on it, and there's the app that you gotta get to your Fire TV Stick device. But after you got Downloader, it's not over yet because we still need to set it up. So now to set up Downloader, we'll go to Settings, and from Settings, you will need to open My Fire TV. So click on that. And now from here, we'll also need to turn on developer options on your Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. To do so, we gotta go to About, then select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back, you will finally see the developer options, which now have appeared here. So open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps. And from here, all you have to do is locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your Fire Stick, which is right here. We'll open it. And there's the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire Stick. But before actually using Downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to UK right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we have to go back to the list of apps on our device, open Downloader again, and wait until it loads for us. And now when Downloader has opened, you just gotta open this little search bar and then start typing in the code, which will be 990159. So once again, 990159. That's the whole code you have to enter in your Downloader application, and then click on Go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot. And now the download of the app has finally started. Usually it does not take long, but of course It all depends on your connection speed. In my case, we got a pretty fast connection, so it shouldn't take more than like 10 seconds or so. And now when the app got downloaded, we also have to install it to our device, so click install, and now the IPTV app will be finally installed. And then, after the installation has finished, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you would get an option to delete the installation files, which you don't need anymore on your device. And after that, when you go to the list of apps on your Firestick, you will open it up. And now when it loads, you will find the IPTV player right here. It's called IPTV Extreme Pro, and that's one of the best and most powerful IPTV players that you can get to your Firestick. So first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online when using such apps. Then feel free to open this amazing IPTV player. And then when the app opens, what you have to do in here is click on the menu button, and then in order to add your first playlist, you gotta go to playlists, and then click on the add playlist button. And from here we got different options such as IPTV Extreme Portal, then a file or a link to a playlist. So that's the option you gotta use if you got an M3U link, which is the most popular way to use IPTVs. So you would click on it, then add any name right here to your playlist. And after that, either add a link to your playlist, the M3U link, or upload it as a file by clicking on that blue folder right here. But there are also other options to set up IPTV. Another quite popular way is to use extreme codes. In that case, you would select this option and then add any name to the playlist, and after that, use the link, the username, and the password which were given to you by your IPTV provider. Then you would click OK, and then the playlist is going to appear in your app. So that's the easy way to get this amazing IPTV player, as well as how to set it up. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.